Hi, this is Tana Schaller, and you're looking at Carmen, my friend and assistant. And in this video, I would like to show you a few healing touch techniques that will help you support your dog through recovery from surgery or disease or pain. So I am showing you one hand because the other hand holds the camera, but let's get creative about it. So if you have some kind of tool to sensitize your hands, then go ahead and sensitize your hands. Otherwise, I will be showing you how to do this in a separate video so I can show both my hands. And what I'd like to invite you to do to scan your dog and look for differences in temperature. So you can scan either above the body. If your hand is sensitive, you should be able to feel above the body any changes in the sensations in your own hand. And you can touch by laying the hand, and you're looking for differences in temperature. So Carmen has a chronic hot spot right here. So when it's hot in terms of energy, there's too much energy, or in terms of biology, there's inflammation. And where there's inflammation, there's pain. Carmen is a rescue. I don't have a lot of history on her. She used to be a stray in Turkey. I don't know what injuries she went through. I know what injuries she went through in the Canadian winter when she fell on ice. So I'm working with her on her recovery. So first, this is the examination. This is the testing of any differences, and I have another part right here where Carmen has a chronic warmer spot, that it feels warmer than the rest of the back. So depending on your dog's situation, you want to scan also the legs and the chest and the head and the ears. Carmen has, like many golden retrievers, she has some she's prone to ear infections, so her ears are thank you for helping me here. So her ears are warmer than usual. So this would be the step one. Step two would be to lie your hands, and I'm showing you one hand, but you can put both hands on the hot spot, or you can put one hand on one spot and the other hand on the other spot, and breathe, relaxing your belly. So breathe into your belly, because your state of body mind transmits to the dog. So if you're tense, which is I'm a very bad dog mom, I worry about my dogs, so it takes a lot of self-regulation for me to stay calm if my dog is not well. So if you're anything like me, you want first to center yourself and touch your dog, breathing in to your belly and relaxing. And every now and then take an audible sigh, because in dog language that indicates peace and contentment. So breathing in and breathing out with an exhale. And don't be surprised if your dog follows you with a sigh of his own or her own. So now, if you don't have Reiki, or if you don't have any experience with energy work, this is one thing you can do. Visualize a stream of breath or energy arising from the base of your spine, up your spine and up above your head, as far high as you can possibly imagine, and then down into the earth, going down through the front of your body and out of your spine, out of your tailbone and out of your legs and feet, down into the earth. So on the in-breath, You bring the breath up the spine, all the way up, and on the out breath, you breathe out through the front of your body down into the earth. And circulate your breath a few times this way. And now we change, after a few breaths, we change this exercise to breathe in, imagining breath or energy, life force energy, flowing in from both heavens and earth, so above your head and beneath your feet. You breathe in and bring this energy, which blends into your heart, and when you breathe out, this energy goes out of your heart, down your arms, and into your hands, and from your hands into your dog. So let's repeat this. You breathe in, imagining energy flowing inside you from above your head and from beneath your feet. And you breathe out the energy which blends in your heart, and on the exhale it goes out from your heart, down your arms and out of your hands into your dog's body. You breathe in energy from above and beneath, and you breathe it out of your hands into the body of your dog. And take a few minutes to feel any changes in the sensations in your hands and in your body. And depending on your sensitivity, you might also notice some changes in the luminosity in front of your eyes. If you're very visual, that might happen too, so it might look like somebody turned the dimmer on a little bit and it's more luminous. This is one of the effects of working with healing light or healing energy. And when you work in this way, you might notice that the sensations in your hands change. So if I stay long enough on a hot spot with my hands, the temperature seems to rise, so the hot spot becomes even hotter. So there's an increase in the sensations, and the sensations increase to a peak, after which, after a while, and I don't know how soon, could be 2-3 minutes or could be 10 or 20 minutes depending on your dog's health, the sensations will subside and it will feel the same temperature as the rest of the body. It will be time for you to move your hand to a different spot, and you do all over again. You do the meditation of transmitting energy through your body and out of your arms, out of your hands, into your dog's body, noticing the sensations. So you do this without interruptions. This is like a meditation for you. You pay attention to your feelings, because your body becomes like a stethoscope, and you can feel what's going on in your dog's body through your own body. So no TV, no Netflix. When you do this, this is your meditation with your dog healing, and the sensations will increase and increase and increase until there's a peak and maybe a plateau, and then the sensations will start subsiding. And when they're subsided, it's time to move to a different spot or to complete the session. In my experience working with people and dogs with energy healing, dogs, like children, they take less time. So I may spend, we're talking about you, I may spend a full hour, an hour and a half with a human with full Reiki treatment session and I may only need 10 minutes or so with my dog, unless the dog has acute pain or is recovering from surgery or from illness, in which case it might require a little bit longer. But it's best if you do these treatments several times a day in such a situation. So for recovery, you want to spend 10 minutes here and 10 minutes in another hour or two, a few times a day. And this will speed up the recovery process. And when you pay attention to your body, you will notice that you know when the session is complete, because it will feel complete in your body. And I'm trying to oh, you want to see a hummingbird? Here's a hummingbird as well. This is for an extra bonus. So it's hard to say in words to describe this sense of completeness. You will feel that this is enough for this session, and it's time to complete, because you don't want to put too much energy into your dog for each session. Think of the energy treatments like a meal. You need time to digest, you need time to integrate. So your dog will need some time to integrate. You give a little bit and then you give a little bit more later. So I do hope that this helps, and I'll make another video separate with how to sensitize your hands and exercises to sensitize your hands so you can work with energy healing more effectively. All the best. Please write me in comments what do you think of this and how it's working for you, and any suggestions, any requests for further videos for dog care. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified on more videos. All the best, and the best of healing for your pup or your cat. Bye.